What's up guys, me again. So I'm gonna play Pixelgun 3D. So I'm gonna do like a recording with my mic, my headphones. You could tell me, I'll test it in co-op survival, and I'm gonna test it if it's good or not. If it's good, I'll keep on using it. If it's not, I won't use it. Okay. This is a quick test video, just to see if these headphones are good for recording or something. Okay. Okay. Shoot in the hip. Okay. Yeah. So, bang. Okay. I want to show you this little glitch I found with the reloading of any slow weapon. It kind of works with any weapon. If it is like a slow reloading gun, take this. Die. Look, it was already reloaded. That's pretty cool. Nice, наши pictures. God damn it. Okay. Okay. Bye, sons of bitches. Wow, that took out a lot of people. Okay. Time to watch myself back. So I have a little mic. I don't know where it is, but I'll find it in a second. What the hell? Sons of bitches. Oh, there it is. I found it. So if you guys can hear me, I'm talking to this mic. Yeah, I'm actually talking right now. If you guys can hear me. I found a little glitch. See? He's killing the sons of bitches. He's killing them all. So yeah, that's cool. Cool glitch I found that shoots through walls. It kind of works with area damage weapons. So